Feeling grinchy? Don't like the holidays? What specifically about the holidays makes you go full Grinch? Is it the music? Is it the decorations? Is it seeing family? Could it be memories from the past that come bubbling up once December hits? Get specific and list your reasons for why you feel the holidays royally suck. Whatever it is, just let yourself feel jaded or annoyed, even if it is just for this short tapping sequence. Once you find what specifically makes you dislike the holiday season, choose one thing and write that down and give it a number 0 to 10, with 10 being the most intense level of dislike. Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I really don't like the holidays because I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I just really don't like the holidays because I honor myself and this feeling. And even though I really just don't like the holidays, I accept myself anyway. Top of the head, I really don't like the holiday season. Eyebrow, don't like it at all. Side of the eye, I don't like it because. Under the eye, I just don't like the holiday season. Under the nose, and I'm just noticing how much I really don't like the holidays. I don't like the holidays because. Just don't like the holidays. And all I have to do is just notice. Go ahead and take a deep breath.
Around you. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly,